Hello my dear students, I am your computer teacher. I hope all of you are doing well. This is the second part of the lesson number 3 of class 4. So let us open page number 28. So in the last video we have discussed up to here. Let us start from here. Let us start. Business. So in the business, so how multimedia is used in business purpose. Even office applications such as word processing packages or a spreadsheet tool becomes a powerful tool with the aid of multimedia business. So office applications like word processing packages or spreadsheets become more powerful with multimedia uses. Pictures, animations, the sounds can be added to these applications. Emphasize important points in the documents. With the help of multimedia, pictures, animation, sounds can be added to these business applications, and we can emphasize important points of a document with the help of multimedia. Give more importance to important points with the help of multimedia. For example, you can add animations, special effects and sounds in PowerPoint presentations. Like we can add animation, special effects and sounds in PowerPoint presentation. This is the example of business application making more attractive. Scientific research. So in scientific research, multimedia is also used. In scientific research, multimedia is mainly used for creating models and simulations. In scientific research, multimedia is mainly used for creating models and simulations. For example, a scientist can look at a molecular model of a particular substance and manipulate it to arrive at a new substance. Like for example, a scientist can look into a molecular model of a thing and manipulate it to become a new substance with the help of simulation. Representative research can be found in journals such as the Journal of Multimedia. With the help of multimedia, representative research can also be done. Next point, medicine. In medicine, doctors can get trained by looking at a virtual surgery. So, with the help of multimedia, doctors can be trained by looking at a virtual surgery with the help of simulation. They can also simulate how the human body is affected by disease spread by virus and bacteria, and then develop techniques and medicines to prevent disease. So, with the help of simulation, we can scientists can also see how a human body is affected by any disease or virus or a bacteria, and then they can develop techniques and make medicines to prevent that disease. Virtual reality. Virtual reality is an artificial environment created with computer hardware and software. Virtual reality is an artificial environment which is created with the help of computer hardware and software. It it uses multiple application in a big way. Virtual reality uses multimedia applications in a big way. It is presented to the user to such a manner that it appears and feels real. So, in virtual reality, like virtual reality means like games. We can use virtual reality in games. They are presented in such a manner where everything is like feels like real. Virtual reality systems are confined majorly to research laboratories. Virtual reality is mainly used in research laboratories. Video conferencing. Video conferencing is conducting a conference between individuals or a group of people at different locations, which may be thousands of kilometers apart, by using computer networks to transmit audio and video data. Video conferencing can be conferencing is used to conduct conference between between two persons or many group of people who are at different locations or who are thousands of kilometers apart. By using computer network, we can transmit audio or video data through video conferencing. Multimedia software. So moving to the next page, page number 29. Multimedia software. Different types of multimedia software are available for different types of application areas. So there are many multimedia software are available for different purpose. For example, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, CS3 for graphics. Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator CS3 are used for graphics. Macromedia Flash for animation. So a Macromedia Flash is used for animation. Adobe InDesign for text editing, etc. Adobe InDesign is used for text editing. These are multimedia softwares. Windows Media Player. Windows Media Player, WMP. The short form of Windows Media Player is WMP. Is a program with which you can watch movies and listen to songs on a computer. Windows Media Player is a program through which you can watch movies and listen to songs on the computer. This program makes the computer a multimedia machine. This program makes a computer a multimedia machine. To start Windows Media Player, follow the given steps. To start Windows Media Player, we should follow these steps. First, you have to click on start button, then click on all programs, then we can open Windows Media Player. The Windows Media Player window appears. Then the Windows Media Player window will open. Insert a. So, for this video up to here, we will discuss the next remaining part of the lesson in the next part of the video. So, let us. I hope all of you have understand. Thank you.